In today's video, I'll guide you through how to add inventory in QuickBooks Online. Step by step. Whether you're setting up your products for the first time or updating existing stock, this process will help you keep your inventory accurate and organized. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the QuickBooks sign-in page, enter your email and password, and click Continue. Once you're on your dashboard, you're ready to begin adding inventory. On the left-hand side of your screen, locate and click on the Walk Sales tab. From there, select Watch Products and Services. This is where all your inventory items, non-inventory products, and services are listed. If this is your first time setting up inventory, you'll see an empty list waiting to be filled. Next, click on the Pawn New Shed button in the top right corner of the page. A menu will appear with several item types. Choose Inventory. This tells QuickBooks you're adding an item you plan to track in stock now. It's time to enter your product details. Start by giving your item a clear and descriptive name, such as blue t-shirt or printer ink cartridge. You can also assign an actual SKU number if you use one to organize your products internally. Under the Yeso category field, you can group similar products together. For example, office supplies or apparel. Categorizing items helps you keep your inventory list organized and easier to manage later. Then enter the initial quantity on hand. That's how many of this product you currently have in stock. Next to it, specify the as of date, which marks when this quantity became accurate. QuickBooks uses this information to track inventory changes over time. You'll also see fields for reorder point, inventory asset account, sales price, and purchase cost. The reorder point helps you track when to restock, while the asset account ensures QuickBooks records inventory properly in your balance sheet. Be sure to fill in your take-home sales price, the amount you sell the product for, and cost, what you paid to acquire it. Once all the details look correct, click Save and Close to finish. If you're adding multiple items, you can choose Save and New instead to keep going without leaving the setup screen. If at any point you need to adjust quantities, such as after receiving new stock or correcting an inventory count, you can do that easily. Go to the Walk New button again, select Show Inventory Quantity Adjustment, and update your quantities. Enter the adjustment date, select the affected product, and type in the new quantity on hand. Always review these changes carefully before saving to ensure accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully added inventory in QuickBooks Online. By keeping your products, quantities, and costs updated, you'll have precise financial reports and a clearer view of your business performance. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other QuickBooks Online guides to make your bookkeeping even easier.